Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Structural Funda. Myself Ethan Kenny, and today we are going to learn about how to find out compressive strength of given ISA section with effective length of the column or strut as well as the fix and condition. Now here we have given in Indian standard angle section 75-75-8 with overall length as 1.2 meter and fixed ends of the given strut. Another part is we have given that concentric loading. It means that we have to analyze the given ISS section according to the concentric loading. We have to find the classification of this angle section according to table number 2. So first criteria is B by T as well as D by T, as B and D both are 75. So 75 by 8, which is equal to 9.375. It is less than 15.7 epsilon. It means it is okay. Now next criteria is B plus D by T, which is equal to 75 plus 75 by 8, which is equal to 18.75. It is also less than 25 epsilon according to the criteria. It means it is okay. Now both the criteria is satisfied. It means that our effective area is equal to gross sectional area, and from the steel table AG is given as 1138 mm square. It means that we have to use effective area as 1138 mm square. Now going for the analysis of the strut. First of all, we have to know about radius of gyration of ISA 75-75-8. So from the steel table, now out of all these four value, minimum radius of gyration is 14.6 mm. So for the calculation purpose, we are going to use minimum radius of gyration as 14.6 mm. First of all, we are going to calculate Euler's buckling stress, which is equal to FCC is equal to pi square E by KL by R square. Now for KL, it means that effective length, we have given the fix and condition. So from the table number 11, page number 45, KL is equal to 0.65 into L. Now 0.65 into length is given as 1.2 meter. In terms of mm, it is 1200 mm. So 0.65 into 1200, it is 780 mm. Now let us put the value in the KL by R. (691.71 Newton per mm square). Now going ahead for the calculation of lambda E. Now generally Fy is taken as 250, FCC is 691.71, which is equal to 0.6. Now we have to use the equation phi, which is non-dimensional constant, is now putting all the values 0.5, 1 is constant, plus alpha is equal to 0.49 from table number 7, page number 35. It is imperfection factor into lambda is 0.6 minus 0.2 is constant plus 0.6 square. Now calculating these values, we will have phi as 0.778. Now the next point is stress reduction factor. Now 1 divided by 5 is 0.778 plus square root of 0.778 square minus 0.6 square, which is equal to 0.785. Going ahead for the design stress, which is FCD, and the equation is xylon into Fy by gamma m0. Now xylon is 0.785 into Fy is generally we take as 250 divided by gamma m0 1.10, partial safety factor from table number 5. Now calculating the value, we will have FCD is equal to 178.41 megapascal or Newton per mm square. Now we have the effective area as 1138 mm square and FCD is equal to 178.41. So design load and effective area is 1138 into design compressive stress is 178.41. So our answer is 203.03 kilonewton. It means that if Indian standard angle section 75-75-8 with concentric loading is given as well as fixed and condition with 1.2 meter overall height, then the design capacity is 203.03 kilonewton. Thank you.